Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Avijeet. I'm the founder of Sovren, and thanks for coming down. I think it's going to be a long, hard, warm afternoon, but I hope Sovren will spark you up. Thank you. Sovren starts with me. About exactly 20 years back, I started investments and trading journey, stocks, bonds, forex, whatnot. And as you can imagine, I lost a lot of money. I'm sure there are some people out there, if you raise hand, if you lost money doing investments yourself. Fast forward 2018, has the world changed enough? Are there technology platforms out there which resolves the problem? I don't think so. And hence we are building Sovren, which is basically the innovation for the securities market. Before I go any further, being a UK and EU-based business, I want to put a disclaimer on the screen very quickly for you. So what's the problem? Traditional stock exchanges, trading platforms, they deal with regulated assets. They obviously are not innovative. They have high transaction charges, high fees. They are not suitable for even the Uber generation and people like ourselves. And lastly, very poor access to liquid funds. So you'll say, oh, what about the crypto exchanges, trading platforms? They're going to help us, right? Really? Complete lack of regulation, money stolen, customer service. I think it just sums up that they do not have the right regulation license. And most important of all, they lack the technology know-how and expertise to launch the securitization of assets. And I think from a blockchain point of view, that's what the market is headed for, and that will make Sovren very special. So you may ask me, how big is the market? What's the future, right? So the current trading market is about $3 trillion, but it's a complete lack of trust and accessibility for institutions and investors. 3 in 5 millennials don't even have trading accounts and leave cash in bank. I think blockchain and securities-based tokenization will change the market. So what's the solution? Sovren is world's first next-generation trading platform that combines traditional assets with blockchain-based securities and creates a completely new ecosystem that has never been done before. One of the biggest pain points, would you agree, is blockchain's adoption, right? There's a lot of hype about different protocols and infrastructure, but what about mass adoption? And I think in Sovren, we understand that from the very beginning. We have focused on the customer adoption first. So our mantra has been trade, pay, borrow, play, which you have heard in the video briefly. With 0% commission, people could actually trade our app on the go, on any asset class. You could use our app as a wallet to pay in crypto or fiat as well. Going one step further, I think the very fact that you could actually take a loan from your existing portfolio and you can spend that, or you can actually use that as a leverage for your further trading, I think that's very cool. That just works for me. And lastly, I think investment should not be just for experts, right? So we have created Zova, which is an emotionally intelligent chatbot, interactive. It gives you sentiments, it acts as customer service, and you can go and create something very cool. But AI is not everything. We believe the human touch is important. So we have created something called a social trading 2.0. What it really means? In simple terms, you connect with your trusted network of friends and family, your co-workers, you go and create self-managed funds, and basically collaborate and trade together. It's not the same as doing a copy trade of a random guy from a well-known investment bank. So to summarize, Sovren is going to be a regulated platform with fully licensed regulation in UK and Europe. We will tokenize securities, unlock millions of dollars that's currently locked in that cannot be accessed previously. We are going to be working with fintechs across the globe and also with academics so that we continue to build on innovation. So what does the Sovren tokenized securities mean? You could ask me, what's the big deal about that? It just means that anyone, anywhere, anytime, 24/7, could trade from anywhere. We're creating a completely new economy assets which earlier could not be made available could be there on a platform that's completely regulated. People like yourself, you've got a nice business, and you think you would like to raise equity and finance, you will have full control of your equity issuance through smart contracts. And I think that is where the market is going now. How do we make money? Well, everyone knows trading platform makes money, but we do it in a slightly different way. We have a freemium model, so we do not charge the newbie trader. They start for free for 0% commission. As you start getting an advanced trader, we obviously charge you fees. And for businesses, they are going to be listing their security token. Obviously, it's charged to pay. And this is a hard one. We have been trying to find out who will be our nearest competition. So obviously, in UK and Europe, we are one of its kind. But obviously, a few names like T0, Polymath, you may have heard about in the upcoming securities market, who could be our near competition. But as you can see, we are an ecosystem. I think behind every fantastic business is an incredible team. I think I'm very fortunate to have one of those. So my background, I have spent the last 21 years in financial services and banking. I'm ex-Barclays Bank UK Vice President for Digital Banking, one of the top 3 in that area. Previously, I've advised to NASDAQ, Deutsche Bank, Credit Suisse, JP Morgan, quite a few. I've kind of managed team size over 12,000, and as of till date, I've managed funds about 1.5 billion. So that's my background. I've got a background in MBA from India, and then I did my Stanford University management course as well. To complement me, I've got this nice man, Wynand. Wynand is my co-founder and CTO. He's a friend first, and then business partner. We started a journey together. He comes from, again, private banking background, UTB. The man has got fantastic knowledge and insights into the whole trading market and AI. We also handpicked teams. So for example, Prashant Tiwari, Jan Bole, Sachin Shetty, they all come from, similarly, Deutsche Bank, Blockport, Moneycorp, Barclays again, WorldPay. So kind of people who have really proven themselves and now are part of my team in London. Advisors, again, we're very fortunate. We have got 2 Oxford alumni. So we've got Petros and Caesar over here, who are not only successful businessmen, advisors, mentors, but they also have got excellent background in academics. Jason Grant over here, he's our advisor when it comes to design and strategy. He's also an advisor to UK government and has previously been advising PayPal and Amazon. Now, obviously, business like us is not a joke. We need DD-based partners. So we have partnered with SafeCharge, Israel-based payments company that will give us the required fiat and payment transaction gateways. Auric, we got Jackie Hatfield, who's our legal counsel. She's one of the best one in UK for FCA regulation compliance. Bovil is a well-known name when it comes to compliance globally. They are currently advised to Bloomberg and JP Morgan and a few others. And lastly, for KYC ML, we have got Identity Mind, again a very well-known name coming up in the blockchain space. So we asked me where we are in terms of journey so far. We started in Q1 2018. It's been a long, hard journey, quite emotional too, for us to get down here and speak in front of you guys here. We are currently sort of testing our alpha trading app, which some of the screens you have seen. We applied for our e-money license that we need for staking retail investors and other investors' money. If all goes as per plan with investments from people like yourself, we hope to launch in Q2 next year. 1 minute. And in terms of the next stage, obviously go global by 2020. For the security token offering, we just launched today. In fact, we are STO, we are not a utility token. We launched this year. Our price is $1. It's only for qualified investors. The sale starts from today till the 4th of November. We are issuing 55 million tokens. It's based on ERC 1404, which is basically based upon the compliance to security tokens. Big business on the security token, you get a 10.5% dividend income quarterly basis, which I think is quite good. And we're raising up to 55 million as a hard cap. The minimum investment criteria is about 150K. Obviously, there's a discount because when this is started now, so you can get discount between 15 to 30%. And if you have more questions, I can always tell you in the break areas. This is something new, very unique. We value your support to us. We have created something very unique for people. Because it's a security token, we can't have given you a token on a piece of paper. So we built this platinum and diamond-based wallet. It has got only 8 unique creations. All the security tokens will be transferred on that. There are only one of Sovren Royal, and you have the ticket size there. You have Sovren Imperial, only 2 of its kind, and our Sovren Elite, there's got 5 of its kind. And I'll end with that. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please catch me and my team in the breakout area. Thank you.